Welcome back to Barbecue Board's Kitchen. Tonight we're going to be doing some seafood and fish taco sauce. Delicious. 2 cups of mayonnaise, 1 cup of diced dill pickles, 2 to 3 teaspoons of yellow mustard, 1 whole onion, and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. We're going to go ahead and dice our onion and our pickles. We're actually going to half this recipe, so we're only going to go with half of an onion and half a cup of pickles. We don't need that much. Just making a few tacos. We got the 18-inch by 15-inch barbecue board out for this one. It's a great size. That's half an onion. Go ahead and chop that up a little bit better. Pickles. We only had pickle spears, so we're just going to use 3 pickle spears. That should be just enough. This is great with any fish taco, seafood taco, just with fish in general. We're going to be doing some shrimp and carne asada tacos tonight.